Good morning, everyone. It's Bunny. Hope you're all doing well. Hope you had a fantastic weekend. It is Monday morning, and I have a bit of a to-do list today. That's my to-do list. Yeah, so let's get into that. Sorry, the noise you hear in the background is the washing machine, because Monday is laundry day. But nonetheless, let's get started on our list. What am I supposed to do today? I have to finish the hair and pants for my little karate boy. I was asked not to to make it faceless, so it needs eyebrows and lips, but no eyes, no nose. I don't know how I'm gonna work that out, but that's a problem for later. So I do hope I have enough cotton for the pants. I should. Yeah, he's quite naked underneath. This was a whole job on its own yesterday. That'll be finished today. I have managed to tick off one of my items. I have blocked the little Winnie the Pooh outfit that I made over the weekend, or that I finished on Friday. I'm not sure. I think I finished it Friday or Saturday. I've got to do a strawberry hat. So I had a grocery delivery this morning, and my Checkers locally sells yarn, so I was happy to get the red that I needed for the strawberry hat. So that's ready to go. Then I've been asked to make 20 to 30 little worry worms. I don't have to bother with eyes and antennas. The lady will attach that herself. She has the self-adhesive googly eyes or whatever, so that has to happen at some point. With that, I have to make a little Ollie sample. So I have the cotton from her. I must just check on the color scheme later, and then I must send her one of those with the little worry worms. So that has to happen. With the same red yarn, I also have to start on another hat for the same lady who needs or wants the strawberry hat. I have to start on the sucker section for 8 tentacles to make an octopus hat. Now there is a tutorial on YouTube. I don't remember who it's by, but I will try to find it and link that in the description box if anyone wants to check that out, because that hat looks epic. I love the color combination that she has in her video, or in her thumbnail at least. That's orangey, and I think yellow. It's beautiful. But yeah, this lady has chosen colors to match her security company, which is navy, shades of white and gray, and then red for the pop of color. So we will do that, or we will at least do our best. And then lastly on my very long list is I've been chosen to test a pattern for Mini Stitch Creations. It is her very cute strawberry whale, so I look forward to doing that. It is extremely detailed, which I love. So I'll be going through this one first. Although it's last on my list, it is the first thing that I'll be attending to today, I think. Yeah, because it'll go quick. It's worked up in plush yarn. I have the perfect watermelon Elise Voluto, and then white, and then I do have a green somewhere. So that should be easy peasy. I love making the whales and all things plushy, so that will be fantastic. So that is my little list this Monday morning, and I hope to chat to you guys very soon and show you some of what I finished. Guys, I'm back. It is just about 3:30 now, still Monday. I managed to finish my pattern test, and I think this strawberry whale came out so cute. It does appear to show up very red on camera, but it's actually a watermelon pink. I used Elise Veluto throughout. This is pistachio green, watermelon pink, and then number 55 is just white. A touch of pink for the blush. The eyes are so cute. I think this turned out amazing. Her pattern is really well written, very detailed, so many pictures to follow along. I had just a few notes, no errors on the pattern whatsoever. So an amazing pattern. As soon as I know when the release date is going to be, I will make a video for that, and then I'll be able to include her details as well in a follow-up video. So I'm happy with another item off my list. I think I'm quickly gonna go make my bed because I took off the bedding this morning for the washing. So I'll go do that, put on some fresh sheets and stuff, and then maybe get back to my list. This karate little boy is giving me grief, so I don't think I want to work on him next. I'm going to continue with the worry worms and hopefully get at least halfway done with those for today, and then we will see what tomorrow brings. I'm not going to sit too long today. I spent the whole weekend crocheting, so I'm actually quite tired. So you know, tomorrow's another day. The week is quite long. I have lots of time to make my orders because it's all going to one person, and she said the deadline is only in August, so I've got lots of time. It's just, you know, how the universe works. The moment you think you're done and you have nothing to do, it sort of just overwhelms you with 110 things at once. So yeah, I don't want to get ahead of myself, and I like to get things out of the way, but I'm gonna take it slow for the rest of the day and just work on a few little things as soon as I've sorted out my chores, and then follow up whenever I have more crochet to show you. So hopefully see you soon. Okay guys, so back for the last time this evening. I managed to make pants for the little karate boy. Tomorrow I'll figure out hair, I think, and the faceless part, which I don't know, should be easy enough. That's fine. Strawberry shortcake whale, I don't know, we're just calling her strawberry shortcake. She doesn't have a name, she needs a name. She is just gonna lounge on my desk until I decide what to do with her. She'll probably go up for sale on my Yaga store. So if you're in South Africa and interested in her, you can keep a lookout for her at Canaan Creations on Yaga. Tomorrow we'll also start on that strawberry hat. I think I'm gonna head to the bath, take a quick soak, and then my husband's not home this evening. He is off to Arniston, so he will overnight and be back tomorrow. So since it's just me, I'm going to be taking some of the colorful cottons and make a couple of worry worms before I go to sleep tonight. I'll do that in bed later. So that will be all of the crochet for this Monday, and I will let you guys see progress tomorrow. Okie dokes. Bye.